Charlotte Church was there with a specially composed song warning of the dangers of climate change. Larry Miller, CBS News, London.
Early retail shopping indications might point...
Get the fuck out of here! Climate change? I'm sick and I shouldn't be yelling. But good God Almighty, really? Getting sick and tired of... Let me just tell you. You want to stop climate change? The first thing I do is stop the militarization of the world. That's the first step towards doing something about climate change. First thing. It isn't about ending poverty, because you know what? If we stop militarizing the damn world, all that money would go towards fighting poverty. And poverty becomes a mental condition. And that's part of the reason why there's so much reason to have a militarization in the first place. Over 2,000 nuclear weapons have been detonated since the first one went off in the Nevada desert back in 1945 during the Manhattan Project, when we entered the age of the nuclear era. Okay? There's other contributing factors that lead to the weather changing. However, we've only been focusing our efforts on collecting data towards the weather patterns of the Earth for a very short period of time. We can go through geological surveys and be like, oh, hey, this, that, blah, blah, blah. The fact is that all the evidence that is coming forth, it contradicts the other statements. Science keeps on proving science wrong. Just chill out. The last thing we need to worry about is climate change. What we need to worry about is how to become better stewards to the world. And by becoming better stewards to the world, that will solve our problem with climate change. Good God Almighty. Maybe we should stop putting freaking ethanol in our damn fuel. Because it costs damn near $2 just to produce a gallon of freaking ethanol. So we're already in a deficit there. Because it takes fuel to make fuel. There is no alchemy going on here. None. The time and labor that we're wasting, the farming equipment that we're using, the parts that break down, the labor that is needed to make new parts for the vehicles, the resources needed to make those parts, the mining efforts to get the resources necessary to make the parts. Do we see the madness? Maybe we should stop using depleted uranium as part of our munitions and creating toxic battlefields. Maybe that's what we should do. Ooh, save the pandas! Save the whales! Save the rainforest! What's a whale gonna do to save the climate? Nothing. What's a damn panda gonna do? Nothing. What's a rainforest gonna do? It's going to minimize some of the carbon emissions. Yeah, that's definitely for true. However, the underwater nuclear test that we've done has destroyed a lot more carbon absorbent life than the rainforest. Also, fossil fuels, that's just been stored carbon. That's all it is. Stored carbon that we're using to fuel ourselves. Stored sunlight. The main reason why I say we need to get away from fossil fuels is because we need an energy bank in case something catastrophic happens and the sun goes away for a long, long time. Because fossil fuels, petroleum, oil, is stored sunlight. I'm freaking disgusted. All these people, the brainwashed masses.